set up resolution, HD, bitrate, go live. This is FEBON iCapture graphic card shipping package. FEBON iCapture graphic card for iOS use. USB line is one. Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. This is made by Apple. Micro USB line. You need to prepare the power bank. This is power bank is very powerful. It will provide the 2.4 current. And the iPhone charging line. iPhone. And you also can prepare the lighting extension line. This is very special. This is the main. This is called lighting extension line. Lighting, male, female. It will let you. You can connect the lighting to USB 3 adapter. Become longer. Okay. Now, first, we connect it. Micro USB. Lighting. This is Apple charging line. And then connect these two USB with the power bank. Please see. Charge. And you can see the Ethernet. You will see the media link. And see the IP 172.20.13.69. And then open app. Camera file, no, Media Link Live. You will see the blue screen. After you see the blue screen, connect the camera. This is camcorder. HDMI 9. Connect the camera. Okay. Video is from the camcorder. OK。Set up the parameter. Facebook Live, please set the HD resolution. And the bitrate is under 4,000. Okay. And then go live. Facebook Live. You can select the personal, fans. Okay. Now I want to let the capture grabber card with the camcorder with my body. First, connect the line, extend the line. Lighting extension line. And then put them together. HDMI line, lighting line. This is the package. There. This one. And then connect the HDMI. Connect the lighting. See you again. Ethernet, Media Link Live, IP 172.20.13.16 at 9. Open app. This is make from the live streaming.